Interestingly, today US30, that is Dow Jones, is trading bearish and in fact has achieved 34,150. However, look at this, US100 still has come back to 11,520, which is a strong resistance zone, and it is still trying to trade bullish. Now, what to expect, as these two are trading contradictory, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into Nasdaq 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels and trade as per the levels. Now, look at the hourly charts here. On the hourly charts, see, first thing is, so far we were looking at lower highs here. This time, see, this was the breach here. This is trying to breach again. 11,550 is the something levels, or rather I will say beyond 11,540 itself you can buy, and then expect 11,560, 11,580 and beyond that 11,660 levels can be expected. Now see, it is trying to trade bullish from here, but you have to wait for 11,540 levels where you can enter a buy position. Also look at this on the downside. US100 has got a very good support here at 11,480-470 levels, and I will recommend you to sell now at 11,440 levels only. Below 11,440 further bearishness can be expected. In the morning it tried to breach it but failed to sustain below 11,480 and tried to bounce back again, and hence in between 11,540 and 11,440 do not trade. Nasdaq 100 directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is near to the highs. The MACD is crossing over for the buy here. RSI is looking upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, see, the base is there. However, if I connect the dots, you will find that it is still trying to trade in this bearish channel. So now, possibly once it breaks past this zone at 11,480 levels, yes, you can sell again and then expect 11,450, 440, and then below that further drop can be expected. Directional movement is bearish and trying to converge here. Crossover for the bullish with stochastic rising. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is trying to look upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, look at these 3 candles, how beautifully they are aligned. See, drop, retracement. Now possibly once it drops below 11,480 with the next candle, you can sell again, and then you can expect 11,440 and 400 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge here. RSI is trying to look upwards, trying to show little bullish momentum. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts, it is trying to show a reversal here, taking the support from the 20-period moving average. However, if you connect the dots, I will wait for it to give a breakout, and hence a good entry point here is 11,540, beyond which you can expect 11,560, 580, and only beyond 580 little more bullishness can be expected, which might take it till towards 11,660 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop, trying to consolidate here. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent, this is bearish, looking forward to converge. RSI is flat near to the highs there. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, previous candle higher highs means 11,580, 600 can still be seen, and see, it is trying to trade in this. On the downside, 11,450 levels, 440 levels, so it can show you a good swing in between. Rather, I will take the liberty for it to 11,440 to 11,600 levels. Possibly this zone is going to be a good swing zone for Nasdaq 100. Directional movement is moderately bullish here. Stochastic is overbought, and looking downwards, the MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI is also trading near to the highs. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 11,540 and sell at 11,440. Those who want to risk a little can sell at 11,470, 480 levels itself, below which a little more bearishness can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch is going to start on first week of February. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, limited seats are available. Now look at US30 on the hourly charts, lower highs, and if you just connect the dots, lower low. So possibly the support here at 34,100 is going to be very strong. It is trying to break the support there on the downside. As I said in the morning analysis, that below 34,200 you can sell, and then you can expect 34,100 levels. It is precisely come back to the same levels. 150 is done. Possibly we are looking at 1134, 100, 120 and 100 is a very good support, and below that in fact 34,000 levels can be expected. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking down. The MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI looking down. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour chart, this candle is giving a breakout. Possibly we can see 34,100 and 34,000 levels also today itself. Directional movement bearish, stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking downwards, indicating little loss of strength there for US100. Now look at 3-hour chart, see lower highs. Lower highs, it means see how beautiful this resistance zone here it is at 34,260 levels. Now only buy entry I will recommend. See, though a serious buy entry is above 34,300 levels only, and those who want to risk a little can buy at 34,260, but rather be cautious and alert and buy only at 34,300 levels. And yes, below 34,200 you can sell for 34,100, 34,000 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic at looking downwards, and it is also divergent and bearish, RSI looking down. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, see on the 4-hour charts also, this candle might take it till towards 34,100. In fact, try to breach it and then a pullback can be expected. Directional movement bearish, stochastic down. MACD has taken a crossover. This is divergent, this is bearish, this is looking downwards. We talked about this in the morning analysis and yesterday also. RSI looking down here. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, yes, we need to see it has seen lower highs, it has seen lower lows. Be cautious of 34,150, 140 and in fact 34,120, 100. Till 34,100 it has got very strong support, so you need to remain cautious and alert there. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish trying to converge, RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, you can sell at 34,140, expect 34,120, 100. See, till 34,100 I will not consider this as bearish, but below 34,100 we can expect further drop till towards 34,000 levels, which is going to be a very good support. And on the upside you can buy at 34,260, and those who want to take a safe entry should buy at 34,300, largely saying in between 34,100 and 34,320. For these 220 points we have to remain extra cautious whichever position you are taking at whichever levels, and hence you should trade with a trailing stop loss on the upside and downside both. Take your trades accordingly. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.